me. You're good. I got it.
Okay, right there.
I got it. That mother feared for his life right there.
Okay, we're gonna have to like lift it up just a little bit, put something exactly right on the middle of that transmission.
Mm-hmm.
If you see it right there, you can kind of see like right in between. But we're gonna have to put it on top of that jack. But a jack that can roll, not that dinky.
I fixed it.
Oh, you fixed it?
Yeah, it's working 100% now.
Yeah.
You know, I've had 2 days to do shit, and some people don't show up when they're supposed to be here.
Yeah. Let me. Now that I'm here, don't worry. We'll get it up.
That's the last famous last words right there. Something flat. You mean like cardboard?
Oh. Dude.
What is that for?
Just you do you, and I do me.
All right.
Nice haircut.
Thank you.
You look beautiful.
That's what they all say. I'm gonna edit that shit out.
Why?
Kids watching.
I'm not
Okay.
cussing.
So
The fuck?
while we were away, we dropped the transmission. We took the clutch off, and this is the shape that the clutch is in, the stock clutch. There's like no meat left on there, really. It's almost down to the screws. Face looks good though. Pretty. There's no which gouges or anything like that, but stock clutch gone. This is definitely gone. Yeah.
Sometimes good, sometimes shit.
So the clutch is the new clutch is on there, as you guys have seen in the B-roll. The clutch is on. Everything is put together. It's torqued down. I think you do 11 foot-pounds and then 90 degrees, which is a quarter turn. So that's done. It's all torqued down. Use red Loctite. That's in the B-roll too. We use the spleen. It was all put in from here, from the kit. So this is all done. So the clutch is on. It's ready to go. Now our last job is getting the transmission on. So that's going to be, I think it's going to be a little bit of work, but we're going to get it done. So that's what we're going to do now. We're going to get underneath there, figure it out, throw the clutch on.
We're gonna put the jack right under. Kind of try and do it in the middle, where it's like going up.
Even pressure.
Yes, even pressure. English is not my first language, I guess.
No,
But yeah. No, I know it's.
say it in Spanish. We got Spanish listeners.
Oh, so vamos a poner la transmisión aquí arriba.
I was only kidding. There's no Spanish watchers, bro.
There's a Spanish watcher, whatever. So we're gonna put it on. I don't know how to explain it, but even, and then we'll just lift it up and try. That's how I've done fuel tanks, all kinds of stuff. If you guys got to take off a fuel tank to replace the fuel pump, one of these and the jack is probably going to be your best friend. Try to put it in the middle, go down or go up with it. I mean, it's just trial and error. Oh, that's even better too.
That's the skid plate.
Whatever. Well,
That's fine.
we'll figure something out. I don't know if I got fat or you put this down lower.
No, it's the same. It's higher. That side's lower than this side.
I didn't.
It would not have been on there if it wasn't.
No.
My side's gonna come back down a little.
Don't be scared.
Yeah, it's good. It's not. You're on 2 jacks and 3 jacks, man. You're fine. Hold on. Ready to go. Almost. One more time, we got it.
1, 2, 3.
Let me get underneath this thing.
Yeah, that'd be the best.
Yep.
1, 2, 3. Ow. Ah, well.
Just make sure it's not on the bolt, because that bolt will bang like a motherfucker. There you go.
On 3, 1, 2.
Oh, fuck yeah, it's gonna be super easy.
Holy.
Hold on. I got an idea.
What?
put that motherfucker up on a jack stand once we get it up.
2, 3.
Mine's on.
Mine's on.
Yeah, go ahead and put that fucking thing underneath there, bro. Go. Go, go.
Oh, yeah, baby.
There you go.
Woo! Oh, that shit one-handed, boy.
All right, tough one.
Ah.
Now get the fucking other pole off. I can't get it. I still gotta go towards you now, because now it's not underneath the door. You're pretty good right there.
Yeah, it looks like it.
Yeah, I'll just keep it from swinging this way if I can.
Oh, fuck. Oh, we're good.
Well, we fucking had it for 2 seconds.
Yeah.
We'll lift it from there and get leverage. Yeah, just don't worry about that. Well, once you lift it up, we can swing it. Once you lift it up, we can swing it. You know, pull on the front, and then the back will come up. We can put this in.
We can try and also put the jack a little bit more back. Here, lift it up with me.
Yeah, hold on. All right.
1, 2.
Right there.
Wow.
That should be good right there, because we lift it, and like I said, once it goes, starts, we can tilt it, and then we can put the jack underneath it to hold it up. There you go. Good idea. Now lift the back, and we can put the other side on the jack stand too. There you go. Now you can adjust it. Put it wherever the fuck you want. Or put the plate on it too. Phew.
Whoa.
Shit, if we could move that plate to the back here by the transfer case, it would be no problem. Unless you get that thing to lift straight up. Oh fuck.
Yeah. Fuck's right.
Oh geez, bro.
What you think, big dog? Don't ever underestimate a Mexican. Because I'm a Mexican.
You know, we don't have to go like all the way. We can still angle it up and then.
No, that bitch
going all the way.
Because
No, I know it's gotta be straight, but we could also angle it a little bit. My side, it's hitting the car right here. So we're in the tunnel. We're just going too high.
I don't fucking see
So what
it.
you're gonna do is you're gonna go up, in, and then back, and then even. You know what I mean?
All right, pause.
Jesus.
There, now you got that's on 2 jack stands and then going anywhere. Hopefully. There we go.
What is that for?
I don't know.
She's just making shit up as he goes.
Okay, ready?
Yeah,
Shit is working though.
it is.
It is. God damn, it's fucking. Okay, hold on. Go slow. You can't go that fast.
I only have fucking 2 speeds. Stop and fucking full send. See what I'm saying? You gotta just angle that motherfucker. Yep, there you go.
You bitch.
Careful, careful.
Alright, I'm not gonna drop.
Papi chulo, relax.
Are you sick?
Oh, fuck me. You're good. I got it.
Okay, right there.
I got it. That motherfucker feared for his life right there.
No, I didn't. I'm fearing for your training. You think I give a fuck about your training?
Actually, I'm gonna push this towards you, Dre. Grab it, pull it out.
Oh, yeah. This is the one we needed.
We're gonna have cinematic shit now, boy.
Oh, baby. Woo-hoo! Oh, yeah, motherfuckers. Hell yeah.
And all we gotta do is just line it up, and then we can screw. Once that bolt starts to screw in, we just wiggle it in as this bolt goes in. That's your alignment bolt.
Okay, well, this one had this right there. That one's off. Watch out. Okay. Is that the starter?
Yeah.
Holy fuck, remind me to never do a starter on one of these. That's funny. See, it's because this one was holding it up. Watch. I even crushed it.
Oh, it was?
Yeah, she was in a.
What sensor is that?
OBD2. But it's the one we don't use. It's single bank, so you only use two. You only use one from the rear and one from the front. That one's just an extra one, just hanging there.
Just go up. We'll talk about this when we get. Oh, hold on. Slowly, don't get too ahead of yourself. This is like making love. You know what I mean? Ugh. Next time you gotta take these fucking drive lines off, cause
The drive shaft?
yeah.
Matter of fact, we have to put the drive shaft in before we move the transmission into place. There's no way to get it in without doing that.
I don't know. I see a lot of fucking space.
Can you put that in there? No, you can't. See what I'm saying? We have to come back out and down. Fuck, bro. I didn't even think of that until you said that. Fuck, bro.
Gosh, dude, are you kidding me?
No, I'm not kidding you.
Oh, fuck a shit up. This shit is seized, that's why.
Seized.
Seized. You know, when it's not dead.
It doesn't seize.
Yes, it does. Where's your hammer?
It doesn't seize.
It's alright, Unc. Just look away.
This is why you don't ever do like repair on customers while they're watching. If anything breaks, oh shit, hey, I caught it on time. So you're lucky I caught it on time before it fucked up your tranny. But you need a new drive line.
Is it not going up? Which direction is it not going?
I told you it was seized in. Look at that. Fuck, dude.
It's fine, just put it on there. What's the fucking problem?
But look at that, that's
just fine.
You have to take the transmission to do the drive line. No, you don't. Look at that shit. Goes back in the same way.
Okay.
Call me daddy.
I'm still waiting to see how you're going to do that. Because the screw should go through it, right?
Yeah,
Or
the
one side
screw.
connects to it or no?
Yeah.
Okay.
Come
then
on.
Slap her in there. Even pressure. Even pressure.
What do you think I'm fucking doing? Relax, would ya? I work on this shit all the time.
You're sitting hitting $1,000 drive shaft with a fucking hammer talking, I work on this shit all the time. What the fuck?
Look at that
I
shit.
saw it.
Look at that shit, boy!
Good job. Now put the fucking screws in. Even though we don't know where the screws are, just go ahead and put them in.
Yeah. Oh, tell me no, motherfucker.
It's in now. Now all you gotta do is just get that drive shaft, make sure it's not too far
What? You
forward.
leave the fucking drive shaft alone?
I just don't want to have you put it on and then we gotta
Look.
take it off. Okay.
Look how much I got fucking room. Leave the fucking
Shut
shit.
the fuck
When
up.
was the last time you ever did anything on a car?
What the fuck you talking about? I built this whole fucking thing. I'm the one that tells you to bring your fucking bullshit OBS over here so I can fix it.
I'm fucking fixing your car.
No, you're not. You're putting on a transmission. You're lining up the fucking bolts.
And how hard was that for you?
I couldn't get the transmission.
1, 2. We got 3.
What is? These top ones are so fucking ridiculously hard because there's no room to put a wrench in there. It's so hard to do.
Holy shit.
Dude, I honestly at work, I don't even see them like this, bro.
No.
It's only here when you're working on the real man shit.
Oh my gosh, dude.
You're gonna piss them off.
Poor boy. When it's time for poor boy to do work, it's fun, isn't it? You're over there doing clean ass work to make money over there, but you don't want to do anything for poor boy, huh? Alright, that's fine.
I get paid over there.
Dude, it's such a pain in the ass, bro.
I've been doing squats.
I thought it was slipping off the fucking thing for a second. Like, oh shit! This one goes to the one that you put in. The other one down there goes into starter. This is definitely not the fucking starter.
Well, now that you have like all that, you can technically put you can take those out now
I can take them all out.
and then just fucking drop it because it's already
The
married
rear thing
to
you have
the.
do, and it's married in. We just leave one bolt in, and it'll tilt the whole fucking engine. And then I can just put that
And then you
shift
can
linkage
use
in
the
there.
I'll be here next
Yeah,
week.
I'll have it all done by Friday.
2 weeks
next week.
later.
It should be done. Well, you never know what kind of fucking issues I'm gonna run into. Alright, so anyway, transmission's in.
I'm
We
tired.
just got to button up a couple things. Took us about, how long you say it took?
I don't know.
About 2 hours of actual
Probably.
work. About 2 hours of us actually.
I mean, you gotta realize that we were just. I mean, this. Like I said, this is all we got.
Yeah.
We're lucky we had like how many jacks? Like 10.
So we hit two big jacks, a small kind of broken jack. But we got it in. Transmission's in.
I got it in.
Alex got it in. We're good to go.
I have to take credit.
Give him the praise. And then I got to button up a few things to connect the drive shaft. And put the rest of the bolts in. And that's about it. Fill the transfer case with some transfer case fluid, and we're good to go.
Yep.
Should be doing our first chipper run in about a week, guys. So, and we'll make sure to put a video out and not make you guys wait 2 months. Because we got a couple of things down up our sleeves that we need to bring out.
I haven't bought any
So,
new projects, just saying, except a dually single cab
So
that I'm about to sell.
this thing's good to go. We'll get her back on the road in a week, and then we'll see you guys then. And we're out.